here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping. And they'll ship this to you in no time. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. And here we go. This is coming from my good friends over at Emeet. Check them out. This is going to be their Crystal Clear Clarity Emeet Luna Clear Quality HD Conference Wireless Speakerphone. You can do Bluetooth and pretty much everything. It comes with the dongle. I'll show you how to work that. It's already plugged into my computer, so that's all good to go. And you get this with it. The line out. You get the USB. Alright, started messing around with it for a little bit. You can plug it in and charge it. It's always good to have extra speaker around. Here's the directions for the USB dongle. It's really easy. On my computer, I just plugged it in and it picked it up right away. So, no issues with it so far. Everything works great. Sounds great. This thing is amazing, guys. You can use it for your laptops, MacBooks, I think. Pretty much anything that needs an extra speaker. Got the phone right here. Let you know how to make phone calls and all that good stuff. Here's that. Instruction manual. Play some music on it. See, you can connect the dongle to the laptop. Even to your Alexa, you could connect it to. Have an extra speaker around that. Because, I mean, I think this sounds better than the Alexa. So, yeah, pretty much that's it. This tells you how to use it with the Bluetooth and everything else. But it's really easy to pick up and play, basically. So, you don't have to be a genius to figure this thing out. It's pretty simple. Let me get this phone going. And then, like I said, Bluetooth. It'll be Emeet Luna. It's already connected. Hit done. And now here's the unit. Looks really nice. There's the intercom. See, it's off right now. On, off, on. Keep it on. Power button right here. Hold it for a few seconds. There you go. It makes a little noise. Makes another noise turn on. I think this comes kind of like a voice boost or...
Voice on.
Not 100% sure. There's volume. You can see adjusting down all the way to 1. And then volume right here. Plus. And Bluetooth. In case you want a new device, hold that for a few seconds. It'll start flashing when it's ready to connect. Comes with a slide, so it won't be sliding everywhere. So that's always a good thing to have. And this is where the USB dongle goes in case you want to, tuck it away, hide it if you don't use it for your laptop or anywhere that has a USB. You could use it. Here's the back. That's where you plug your stuff in. The USB, the line out or line in. This is some kind of lock you can have. And it also comes with a template. So I think you could mount it on the wall. It's up to you, I guess. However you want to use it. But I'm just going to leave it like this. It'll probably go on in my room. Like I said, you can have it as an extra speaker or a conference call type deal. You could just make calls through your phone and hands free. But yeah, look at that though. It's lightweight too. So I think they got different colors. And now we're going to do the sound test so you guys could hear it. But definitely happy with this thing that I've been testing out for a little bit. Let's see, hopefully this doesn't have copyright. Okay, phone volume is going to be right there. So you control Dangle's phone. There you go. Alexa, call. There we go. See, it's ringing. Hello. Oh, too many background. Let's see, it's gonna do that. But that's how that works. Like I said, you can connect this to pretty much anything. It's really nice to have. So thank you guys over at Emeet Luna or Emeet. This is Luna, and like I said, check out the other devices they have. I'm gonna be doing a unboxing tomorrow from Emeet, so we're gonna hop over the computer right now to show you the dongle and how that works. Like I said, it's already hooked up, ready to go, and be right back. Alright guys, there's a dongle. I got it plugged in to the USB, and I'm gonna show you. It's gonna come up Emeet audio adapter A200, and now I'm gonna go back on YouTube and let you listen to the music. Alright guys, here we go. We got it working. Oops. I think it's switching to the next track. Alright guys, see where it says Emeet audio adapter? There you go. You want to switch it where your speaker setup is, and then it'll be listed wherever it's at. So mine's right there. So right there, that's, I mean, it's really cool to have. Now that's set up to answer phone calls, to listen to music from the PC, or like I said, if you have a laptop or whatever you use, you know, hook it up to it with the dongle. And the dongle's right there. It's already rested. But like I said, I'm going to switch this out to my room and use it in there. It's a lot easier. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a good night. Take it easy out there.